everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password for ClearScore. To reset your ClearScore account's password, first of all open up a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in clearscore.com and search. Once you get to the home page of ClearScore, click on the login button at the top right. In the login page, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your ClearScore account. Now click on Reset. You will receive an email explaining how to reset your password on your registered email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider inbox. Soon after you open up your email inbox, click on the new email received from ClearScore which says your password reset request. Simply click on that email and click on Reset your password. On the next page, enter your new password in the first text box you are trying to change to. While creating a password, make sure to include these criteria to create a strong one, and then re-enter your password in the next field to confirm. Finally, click on the Change Password button and you will be redirected to the Sign In area where you need to enter the newly updated password and your email in the login page, and that way you can easily reset your password for ClearScore. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.